This is a video I worked on in Canva and it's looking beautiful. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial of how I created this video here on Canva. So to download this video as a 4K video, let's go over to share and click on the share button. Let's click on download, and if you look at the quality down here, it says normal standard quality. The video is downloaded is in 1080p. To download it as 4K, if you toggle this button to go to the extreme, you see it says 4K Ultra HD file resolution for larger screens like televisions. So you must have a paid subscription for you to be able to download 4K videos from Canva. Once you've toggled this on, you can decide to download your videos as separate pages or separate files, which is also a paid feature. And you can save the settings so that anytime you want to download it, downloads as 4K, and you hit on download. It has finished downloading. Now let's go over to our file to see the video we downloaded. So here is the video we downloaded. When we open the video to preview it, this is what it looks like, a 4K video. It's usually useful when your audience are watching your videos on larger screens.